So today I'll be talking about real estate terms and their meanings. So today I'm going to be talking about excision. I don't know if you've heard of an excision before. Excision is a form of land title, just like you have your C of O, your governor's consent, your gazette. Excision is also a title as well. And what does an excision mean? An excision is basically taking a part from a whole. And the best way to describe or explain that is by giving an example. Say, for example, the whole of Aja is a settlement, and the Lagos State government, because according to the Land Use Decree of 1978, every land belongs to the government. So, say, for example, the Lagos State government says they want to take the whole of Aja, which is a land settlement, like I said earlier on. They have natural dwellers there, people that have been staying there from beginning of time, both their grandparents and the likes, the natural settlers there. So the government decides to take the whole of Aja. Then they take 70% of the total expanse of land of that settlement, which is Aja, for urbanization purpose. They want to maybe carry out development in the nearest future, or maybe they have some governmental projects they want to build. So the government decides to take 70% of that expanse of land. Let's even assume it's like 100,000 acres. The government takes 70% of that expanse of land, and they give back the remaining 30% to the natural settlers there. The process of giving back those people, the natural dwellers there, that 30% is known as excision. That's just the meaning of excision. The land has been given back to the people, so they can do whatever they like with it. They can actually sell it, they can give it to their children, they can give it to their grandchildren. That land is no longer under any form of encumbrance from the government. And if peradventure the government comes in the future to carry out any project there, and your land happens to be one of the properties that is affected, you can actually go back to the government and make a complaint, because your land has a verified title, is not under government acquisition. The land has been excised. The process of giving back that land is called an excision. The land has an excision on it, and it's a recognized title. I think that's like the most important thing you need to understand. It's a recognized title by the government. Although if you buy a land that has excision, you can go ahead and perfect a title on it. You can go ahead and perfect a C of O on it for if you want to. So you can have your own claim to it. You can go ahead and do that. But the land is actually free. So the Omonilas, the natural dwellers there, they can decide to sell. They can decide to do whatever they wish with that particular land. And it's a verified title. If you go with the necessary document to the land registry to verify the status of that land, so far the government has given that particular expanse of land to the natural dwellers. You see that it's not under any form of encumbrance. So properties with excision are actually good. You can buy them, you can do whatever you want to do with them. They are not under any form of government acquisition. So that's the real estate term we're talking about today. I really hope you learned something. If you did like this video, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up and turn on your subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell, so for when next I drop a post like this, you are notified. If you also have any questions, please do not forget to drop them in the comment section. Thank you.